I'm here to file a case of VAUSI po, 9262 against my estranged husband, the sitting congressman of the District 1 of Parañaque, Congressman Eric Canibates.
We know ano po yung pwede ninyo masabing details kung ano po yung complaint po.
Well, this is under po 5E po, which is a psychological abuse po. So that's under the VAUSI po. So I will leave it at that po. So there are instances po that I was violated under 5E of VAUSI. It has been ongoing po ever since that we got married. However, lately lang po ako nag-decide to file the case against him. So, this is a continuing offenses po against me po by my former husband.
What gave you the courage, ma'am, to file the case?
There was an incident in my residence in Baguio that hindi lang po ako ang na-violate, kasama po ang aking anak. And I tried to go under the process po, legal process. Unfortunately po, nakikita ko that still up to now, nagagamit po ang posisyon po ng pagiging congressman sa kaso ko ito. Kaya naisip ko po na I think it's high time for me to fight. I think it's high time na hindi po ako matakot sa posisyon ko. He's 15 years old po. He's a 15-year-old boy. Kasama ko po siya. 30 kami. Siya po yung 15-year-old boy po na anak ko namin.
Anak po ninyo pala.
Anak po namin tayo. Yes po.
Bukod po dito, may iba na po kayong legal na action na tinake po ba? Or baka sa House of Representatives din po ba? Meron din po?
Yes po, actually 2 weeks ago I filed an ethics complaint po sa ethics committee, and until now I'm waiting for the response po of the committee, of the said committee. This is a very funny story because we got married po in 1997. However, he filed a case of annulment against me in 2016 that reached finality, but we got married again. Funny, but we got married again 2021, and he filed another case of annulment just July 2025, last year.
Ma'am, just to be clear po, kailan po nag-start yung
Ever since po that we got married, sabi ko nga po, nagsimula noon pa. Siyempre po bilang isang asawa, tinatry po ng inyong pong lingkod na sana po ay maayos pa ang aming pong relasyon. So hindi ko po yun masyadong binibigyan ng pansin dahil pakiwari ko po, magbabago naman eh. Kaya po ako ay patuloy po na umaasa na sana magbago nga. Pero since ako po ay nung umalis po ako ng aming tahanan noong February 2023, may mga bagay po ako na hindi ko po nasasakyan po in terms po ng kanyang pamamalakad po ng dati siyang naging mayor. Marami po kaming pagkakaiba po ng prinsipyo, kaya nung ako po ay umalis bilang kanyang asawa, although nagpapatuloy po ako sa aking pong position, sa aking mga trabaho bilang First Lady of Parañaque, na-realize ko po na kung ako po mismo bilang isang tao na may impluwensya, hindi ko kaya kong ipagtanggol ng sarili ko. Paano na kung sakasakali, dahil ako po tumakbo po bilang mayor po last time, and na-feel ko po kasi marami pa rin po ang nag-expect sa akin na kung maaari po ay matulungan ko sila in my own little way. And naisip ko po kung ang sarili ko hindi ko may pagtanggol, paano po kayang ibang tao. So kaya po sabi ko, katulad ng sinabi ko po sa inyo, it's about time for me to fight. Lalo na ngayon, March po, it is the National Women's Month. Dapat po lang, I think it's just timely po na ito'y aking pong i-file po against someone who's violating the rights of women.